Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.2 question number 2. Here question number 2 is question number 2, find 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36, that is subtraction. Let us find, that is question number 1 is 7 by 24, 7 by 24, 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36 minus 17 by 36. First we'll find the LCM of 24 and 36. Find the LCM of 24 and 36. 24 and 36. 24 and 36. Divide by 2, 2 12 is 24 and 2 18 is 36. Again by 2 we'll divide, 2 6 is 12, 2 9 is 18. Again by 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Therefore LCM is equal to, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. That comes to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 into 3, 24 into 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 is 6 plus 1, 72. That it comes to 72, right? Therefore we got the LCM as 72. Now LCM is 72, therefore here we write LCM as 72. 72. Now if we divide 72 by 24, that is 24 into 3, right? That is, you have to multiply 7 with 3, right? It is 7 into 3, 7 into 3 minus, if you divide 72 by 36, you will get 2, right? You will get 2. Therefore 2 into 17, 2 into 17, that is, we are getting 2 into 17. Therefore 3 7 is 21, 3 7 is 21 minus 17 2 is 34, 17 is 34 by 72, by 72. Now 1 is plus, 1 is minus, therefore you subtract 21 from 34. Subtract 34, subtract 21 from 34, that is 3, 13. That is, we are getting 13 by 72, 13 by 72. Therefore we are getting 13 by 72, right? And what is the sign? This is plus, this is minus. This is the greater number, so the sign will be minus. That is, we are getting minus 13 by 72. This is the answer of question number 1. Minus 13 by 72. We will solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 5 by 63. 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21, minus of minus 6 by 21. Here you can write it here as 5 by 63, minus into minus is plus 6 by 21. If we find the LCM of 63 and 21, 63 and 21, you are getting 7 and 63 and 7 3 is 21. Again you divide it by 3, that is 3 3 is 9, 1 is 3. Therefore you are getting 3 into 9, 3 3 9 is 27. LCM is equal to 3 is 9, 7 is 63 is LCM. Therefore 63 is LCM. Therefore we are writing here 63 is LCM. LCM is 63. If we divide 63 with 63, it is 1. This is 5 into 1. 5 into 1. 5 into 1. plus, if we divide 63 by 21, it will be 3, it is 6 into 3, 6 into 3, that is you are getting 5 1 5 plus 3 6 18 by 63. If we add 18 with 5, 18, 19, 23, 23 by 63. So we are getting the answer as 23 by 63. Right? The question number 2 is 23 by 63. This is the answer of question number 2. Now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, question number 3 is this one, that is minus 6 by 13. Question number 3, 1, 2, 3. Question number 3 is minus 6 by 13 minus of minus 7 by 15 minus 7 by 15, that is equal to minus 6 by 13 minus into minus is plus 7 by 15. Right? We'll find the LCM of 13 and 15. LCM of 13 and 15. Let us find the LCM of 13 and 15. 13 and 15. Divided by 1, that is 13, and it is 15. Therefore, LCM is equal to 13 into 15. 13 into 15. Then you are getting, if multiply 13 with 15, there is 5 3 is 15, carry 1, it is 5, 5 is 5 plus 1 6, 3 1 is 3, 1 1 is 1, that is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, 195. So you are getting 195. 195. If you divide 195 by 13, you will get 15. So minus 6 into 15. Minus 6 into 15. 15 plus. If you divide 195 by 15, you will get 13. That is 7 into 13. Right? Now if you multiply 15 into 6, 15, it is 195. 195. LCM is 195. Now if we multiply 15 with 6, 15 with 6, 6 5 is 30, 3 here is 0, 6 plus 3 is 9, that is 90. We are getting minus 90. Plus 13 into 7, 13 into 7, 7 3 is 21, 2 here, it is 1, 7 is 7 plus 2 is 9, 91, minus 91 plus 91 by 195, by 195. That we are getting, here you see, this is 90, this is 91, therefore 91 minus 90 is 1, and this is greater number, therefore it is plus 1, that is 1 by 195. 1 by 195 is the answer of question number 3. 1 by 195. That is, this is the answer of question number 3. Next we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, here you see is minus, question number 4 is minus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 11 minus 7 by 11. Find the LCM of 8 and 11. 8 and 11. It will be divisible by 1 only, that is 8 by 11. Therefore LCM is equal to 8 11 is 88. Right? Therefore we are writing here as LCM is 88. 88. Now divide 88 by 8, that is 11, minus 3 into 11, minus 3 into 11, minus, if we divide 88 by 11, it is 8, 8 into 7, 8 into 7. So we are getting minus 3 11 is minus 33, this is minus 7 is 56, 7 is 56, 56 by 88. By 88. Therefore you are getting, this is 88, both are minus, therefore it will be added, that is 56 plus 33. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 89 minus 89 by 88. Therefore, the answer is minus 89 by 88. Right? Now, if we divide in 89 by 88, we are getting 88 1 is 88. 89 minus 88 is 1. So there is minus 1 whole 1 by 88. This is the answer of question number 4. 1 whole 1 by 88. Now question number 5. We will solve question number 5. Question number 5 is minus 2 whole 1 by 9 minus 6. And you are getting 9 to 18. 18 plus 1, 19 minus 19 by 9 minus 6. Or 6 can be written as 6 by 1. Right? Therefore, the LCM is 9. 9. If we divide 9 by 9, it is 1. That is minus 19 into 1. Minus, if we divide by 1, it is 9. That is 6 into 9. Therefore, we are getting minus 19 minus 6 9 is 54 by 9. If we add both the numbers, that is 54 and 19, because they are the same sign. And for 13, carry 1 here is 3. 5, 6, 7, 73. That is equal to minus 73 by 9. That comes to minus 73 by 9. Now, if we divide 73 by 9, you are getting 8 9 is 72. 8 9 is 72. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1. That means we are getting minus 8 whole 1 by 9. Therefore, the answer is minus 8 whole 1 by 9. This is the answer of question number 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.